So hello everyone, today we're comparing two tough phone cases designed to withstand the elements, the Nomad Rugged Case and the UAG Pathfinder. So let's see which one offers the ultimate protection for your smartphone. So first up, the durability. So both cases are built to withstand the drops and impacts, but they achieve this in different ways. The Nomad Rugged Case often features a leather exterior with a reinforced polycarbonate frame, providing a blend of style and ruggedness. The UAG Pathfinder is known for its military-grade drop protection and rugged armor-like design. Now let's talk about the design and grip. The Nomad Rugged Case often sports a sleek, minimalist design with a focus on premium materials, offering a comfortable grip. The UAG, on the other hand, has a more aggressive design with textured surfaces, providing a secure grip even in challenging conditions. Now let's consider the features. The Nomad Rugged Case might offer features like wireless charging compatibility and a lanyard attachment. The UAG Pathfinder, on the other hand, often includes features like raised edges for screen and camera protection, with a reinforced corners for enhanced drop resistance. Now, the price and value are important factors when you choose a case for your phone. The Nomad Rugged Case typically sets on a higher price point, reflecting in its premium materials and design, while the UAG Pathfinder often offers a more budget-friendly option, providing excellent protection at a competitive price. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and style preferences. The Nomad Rugged Case is a great choice for those who want a stylish and durable case with a premium feel. Now, the UAG Pathfinder is a compelling option for those who prioritize maximum drop protection and rugged design. Well, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.